Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one is a little mini journal and it's an autumn fall themed journal. I've used various different kits in this. So it's a little hardcover, as you can see. You can see by the size of, excuse my inky fingers, you can see by the size of my hand, it is mini. It measures 5 1/4 by 3 1/2, has a 1.5 inch spine, has 2 signatures. There's a total of 88 pages, front and back. You can see here we've got some lace trims and fluffy bits. Got some this lovely thin satin ribbon as a closure with some eyelets. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. You can find all the links below. I also have at the moment some journals that are on sale that will be ending very shortly, as in today. So if you want to grab yourself a bargain, then now is the chance. So love these little journals, and you know what, they actually do take just as long to make as a big journal. So I can't even remember what I started like making the cover with. I really can't, but it did turn out, it's not solid, it's pretty hard. It's not solid, it's not like chipboard solid. I honestly can't remember what I used. I might have used an envelope, and then I layered it up with brown paper, and then I layered it up with the printables. This is from ARTYmaze. I don't know if that's a freebie or not, I can't remember. I did shrink a lot of the kits down, obviously, to make a smaller journal. So it was either 2 to a page or having to shrink it down to about 75% when it was on a PDF. Okay, so on the inside here, well, the front cover here, we just got a simple topper, which is like brown. It was actually cards, you know, when you make cards. I've got tons of the cards and envelopes, and it was like the craft cards, so I used that. So it's kind of thick layered there. This is from ARTYmaze, that is from ARTYmaze, one of the kits. I cannot remember all the kits right now, I really can't. Inside here, it's one of the kits. If you go onto ARTYmaze's Etsy store and just type in the search bar, once you're in the shop, put in autumn, and all the autumn kits will come up. So this is one of them. Like I said, I really can't remember the name of it right now. And then here we've got some pockets, and there's a few pockets throughout. Then we've got a little double journal card there. I have left a lot of these white. In fact, all of them are white. Little kind of matching tag there, which I've popped inside there. Yeah, I didn't coffee dye them, just the pages that are coffee dyed. Then this was just a little scrap piece, and I just made like one of them flippy uppy double tags. This is just a little journal card from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and that goes in there like so. I'm just going to double check that I am in good frame here. Yes, we have some lace trim, and this was a freebie from ARTYmaze. It's actually to make like a little tag booklet, but I didn't make a tag booklet out of it. I just layered them up and added the little ephemera pieces to them. And this is from Bohemian Crafting. And here I just made a little snippety thing with a little ticket from one of ARTYmaze's kits. Here, I think that's ARTYmaze, that is as well, so is that. And I think some of it's been coffee dyed, some of it was already printed out and coffee dyed for like previous fall autumn journals. This is a freebie from MyPorchPrints, and that goes there. Then we have a little envelope. There's nothing in the envelope. As you can see, it was getting rather chunky. So the little envelope is on like so. And you can add your little secrets to that, your little photographs or whatever. And then here, this is from one of the kits, and it's the sunflower. I have actually used not just the autumn kits, I did use one of ARTYmaze's sunflower kits as well, just for the whatchamacallit, the journal cards, I think. Got some lace trim on here. I've used some little labels and little ticket there. Little tag, that's not an autumn, I think that's a freebie. This, again, this was from like another journal I was doing that obviously I didn't use. So I just folded that in half and popped it in there. Then we have this tag there. Do you know what I forgot to do? I actually forgot to put little bits on the tags, like string. I'll do that afterwards. Then these are, I'll show you, little coin envelopes. I've just knocked everything over. And what I did with them, so if you've got them, I just folded that like so. And then I tucked that in there. I stuck on, obviously, that image. I used my pink and shoes, and I just kind of went up and around to create that kind of little jaggy edge there, because you can get pockets or little envelopes that do actually look like that, but I don't have them that small. So that's what I done there. So you can tuck things inside that. Lots of writing space. This is from Bohemian Crafting. Then here, journal card that I just put onto some coffee dyed paper. Little tabs are from ARTYmaze, and that is from ARTYmaze as well. Some more trim, little pocket, little full quote there, little tag, that's a double layered tag, and a postcard which is from MyPorchPrints. That's a freebie. Bohemian Crafting. Here it was just I think this is a freebie page from ARTYmaze, so I printed 2 to a page, and just really nice collaging on there like that. And I've just put some coffee dyed paper in there as like a little notebook, and that goes on like that. Little quote on there, and then I just put some lace trim on there, and we'll pull that through. I can't be bothered to undo it all because I'm rubbish at tying bows, so that kind of looks all right, so that's how I'm going to keep it. And there's little fluffy bits in there. More coffee dyed paper, postcard pocket, and 2 tags. Centre of the signature. Love that paper. That would kind of go with like any other kit, any other themed journal. That's the thing I like about having the backing papers with a lot of the kits, especially ARTYmaze's kits. She does do a lot of background pages that, you know, are kind of universal, if you know what I mean. They're not, you know, specifically for like, you know, you don't have to use that for autumn. You get what I'm talking about. More coffee dyed paper, another one of these, so you can tuck things in there. You could actually, if you wanted to, glue that in, glue here, glue there, and then you've got a permanent little pocket there. Another little pocket, and we have another double, actually that's triple layered. We've got the postcard and then this little piece added onto the tag. Then we have this little seed packet with the sunflowers on there. There's nothing in it, but you can pop something in there. Some more trim. Another pocket I made using one of the pages, and what I did was I just obviously layered it up, but these pages I done 2 to a page, so they were the kind of perfect size to kind of fold and make into the pocket. So it's actually opened at the back there, and then we have the pocket there as well, and that's the tag. And Bohemian Crafting, coffee dyed paper. I will go through and put I'll put some little thin string or linen thread on these. Just completely forgot. I've been on the phone for hours tonight whilst I was doing this, talking to my auntie. Yeah, 2 little tags there, and some little labels, little ticket there. Another one of these are freebies. You can find these on ARTYmaze's coffee shop, and that's like, you'll find that one through our videos and stuff. All just layered up there, so they were kind of neutral. And little tuck here, journal card, that's from one of ARTYmaze's autumn kits, and a postcard, and then another little like collaged card there. Saved some work, didn't it? And that's the first signature. Second signature, again it says Autumn Blessings. Little pockets there with the tag and the double journal card, which, like I said, they're not coffee dyed, but they're white, and that goes in there. Some more crocheted trim, another one of these, They're so cute. And the paper in the background there is from Bohemian Crafting. Another little kind of snippet thing there, just using up some scraps and them little tickets. Again, that's from one of ARTYmaze's kits. That goes in there. Actually, I need to do that. There we go. It goes in better like that. And a little postcard there. That's from the Fruits of Autumn, or Autumn Fruits. Here we have a postcard, which is freebie from MyPorchPrints. And little postcard there. That's from the, again, that's from the Autumn Fruits, or Fruits of Autumn. And the postcard just goes in like so. That's one of the pages shrunk down from one of the kits. Another little corner pocket there with some lace and the layered up labels and tickets, and little tag there. That's one of the larger postcards that I just didn't use from like other projects. And actually we'll put that way so you can see the fruit. And another one of these little booklet things. Just using like 2 to a page on these. That's what it looks like, but it does come full size. So I just printed 2 to a page, added the little autumn quote there, and it's just got a little booklet for some journaling. Okay, and that just goes on there. Some trim here, that's from Bohemian Crafting. Little pocket there. Postcard from MyPorchPrints. That's from the Autumn Fruits, and then just some labels and quote there. Bohemian Crafting, little pocket here, tag inside that, and then that's another one of these. I think there's 4 of these in total. Like I said, you could just glue it there and there, obviously behind, and just glue that down. I know you're not silly. I know you guys ain't silly. And there we go. That didn't want to go on, did it? Little postcard pocket, 2 tags. Voices going. Help. Centre of the signature again. That's a lovely paper from one of the kits. Little postcard pocket, 2 tags. And they go in there. Coffee dyed paper, another pocket here that's opened again at the back so you can tuck things in. Little tag just on coffee dyed paper. That's been doubled over the coffee dyed paper, and that goes in there. Little corner tuck, little tag. Everything's little because it's a little journal. That's just like a, what do you call them? Seed packet. That's what we call them, isn't it? Seed packet. And some trim. Another pocket. You know what? Like, that's kind of missing another thing. Needs 2 things at least in the pockets. Little label, little ticket, trim. Another one of these, which is, like I say, the freebie from ARTYmaze on her coffee shop. Little kind of snippet thing there, postcard and little journal card that goes in up there. And another one of these. And inside there we have a tag, that's a freebie, and this is from one of the kits. Okay, doesn't want to go in, and the pocket is from the kit, and that is the back. So that is the little journal. Oops. Again, I always enjoy making journals, so I don't know, you know, it's not unusual for me. I wouldn't do it if I didn't enjoy it, but you know, you'll never hear me saying, oh, I didn't like making that. Anyway, there we go, little journal. And don't forget, there's other journals at sale price for today only. And yeah, you can find there is a video up just before this one with links in the description box to the other videos, but if you go onto my website you'll see the journals that are for sale. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.